In today's video, we are comparing two absolute titans of the display world, the Samsung Odyssey Ark and the LG UltraFine evo. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these monitors, make sure to check the link in the description below. We are looking at the massive, immersive 55-inch Samsung Ark with its aggressive 1000 R curvature and the stunning 40-inch LG UltraFine, which opts for a wider 21:9 canvas and a more subtle 2500 R curve. And this is where the choice starts to get interesting because you are essentially deciding between total immersion and a panoramic workspace. The Samsung Ark is built for the pure gamer, delivering a blistering 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time that makes action incredibly smooth, while the LG, though slightly slower at 120 Hz, excels with its sharp 5K, 2K resolution and Thunderbolt 5 connectivity, offering a level of detail that is simply unmatched for creative professionals and those who need to manage complex timelines. Looking at the display technology, the Samsung's Quantum Mini LED provides intense brightness and deep blacks that make HDR content pop, but the LG's Nano IPS Black panel hits a phenomenal 2000:1 contrast ratio, delivering richer shadows and more precise color accuracy, which is a huge advantage for video editors. Although the Samsung does have the upper hand with its sound dome technology and 60W speakers for those who do not want separate audio, the Samsung Ark truly flexes its versatility with the 4-input multi-view and a unique cockpit mode that lets you rotate the screen for an unmatched vertical orientation, which is incredible for flight sims or coding. Whereas the LG's strength lies in its productivity features like the 96W charging and daisy chaining capabilities that allow you to power your laptop with a single cable, making it the ultimate command center. On the downside, the Samsung's massive 55-inch size can be overwhelming and requires a deep desk, and its aggressive curve can distort straight lines for design work, while the LG, although better for multitasking, does not deliver the same level of punchy vibrancy or gaming performance that the Samsung does. So it really depends on your workflow. Taking all of this into account, the LG UltraFine is the better choice for its sheer versatility, offering a practical resolution and a clean, professional design. But for the ultimate cinematic gaming experience, the Samsung Odyssey Ark just cannot be beaten. We have linked the best price for both in the description below, so make sure to click that link and secure yours before they sell out.